Okay, so here's a look at, and I'm not quite sure I can pronounce the manufacturer, sorry about that. RC, sort of a off-road vehicle here. I think it's called a car in the product listing. It's obviously not so much a car, but here's a look at the box. It took kind of the shipping labels off. It's a little sticky, but so RC control here. So some instructions. And there's more on, oops, sorry, more on this side. Alright, so there's a look at the outside of our product box, and let's slice that open. So here's inside. So our charging is going to connect to a USB port. And, controller, plastic, very light, and then we have the obviously here's our vehicle. Kind of squishy tires. And, it's you know, decent weight. Feels pretty solid. Obviously has you know, metal suspension in here, so pretty sturdy frame here. Appears to have already been turned on. So inside, so it's supposed to come with 2 rechargeable batteries. Voila. And looks like some instructions and a little screwdriver here. So takes about 3 hours to be fully charged. So I guess I'm going to have to do some charging before I can do any testing. And I guess I got a little Christmas card gift. So a little belated there. All right. So let me go charge some batteries and read the instructions on the box and take it for a spin. Alright, so for the controller, the screwdriver here is to take out the little screw there, and it does come with several extra. So we need 3 AA batteries, to power the controller. Alright, so so it's trying to pair, but it's not finding a car because I'm still charging the other battery. So we have a B button on here. There's our speed and directional controls. So now I just need to wait for the battery to charge and test it out. Alright, so I got the battery charged. There was a little LED that was sort of blinking red in here as it was charging and went out. So simply disconnect that. I've already taken the locking screw out of here, battery case, and I just need to pop this in here and find a way to to seat that in there so it doesn't pinch and hurt anything. And lock it in. So I'll put this screw back in to hold that. One thing to point out is there's an adjustment here, so if the vehicle's kind of steering off to one side or the other, you can sort of adjust the trim here to help keep the tires driving it straight. And after this, next step will be to turn on the car, turn on the remote, and start driving it around. Alright, now that the batteries are installed and charged, simple matter of turning the car on and turn the switch on the remote. Forward, back, and oops, always back. Alright, turn left. Alright, so apparently I need to learn to drive better. There we go. So pull down, pull towards you to go forward, push away to go back. There we go. And sort of learn to drive. Alright, so now let me see how fast it goes and how long the battery lasts. Alright, so here's a little speed test. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah.